Hi, I am Sigrid and I'm the kitchen manager here at Cedar Wood. Today we're going to go and show you how to make our homemade granola. It's super easy and I have got all the ingredients measured out, and what you kind of see on this table is all you need. Okay, so what I start off with is our quick oats, and then I have measured out our sugar right here, and I just go and lightly start tossing this. And once this is done, I go and start mixing all my other ingredients in a separate bowl. This is apple juice. I'm going to take our cinnamon, salt, our oil, and our vanilla, and then I just go in with this. I just pour on top. I'm going to try to get most of the cinnamon right out of the bowl. It kind of tends to stick a bit. All of this till it's nicely moistened, and we don't want to over mix this up. Of course, you don't want it clumpy, then it goes and takes too long to cook up. Okay, and then after this, I have sprayed my cookie sheet right here. I just pour it right on, and I go and try to spread it out. At home, your oven should be about 250, and we're gonna go and bake this for 15 minutes. Set the timer, go and mix it up. I like to actually use a whisk to kind of stir it, just because it breaks up any lumps that you have in there a little bit more, and takes about an hour and 15 minutes. It's all done.
Wow, it smells so good.
This is what it looks like. Super yummy. It's very easy to go and make. Now we let it cool, and usually we go and cup it up. We go and serve it in our yogurt combos, and we also have it available when we are having our yogurt parfaits. And I can't wait to go and give it a try. Can't wait to go and see you all again, so you can go and have this in person. Stay safe, stay healthy, give it a try at home, and guten Appetit!